What if rainwater falling on your roof could be collected, cleaned, stored, and even used to water plants automatically? This model shows a complete smart water management system working in real life. In this project, I have combined rainwater harvesting, filtration, storage, groundwater recharge, and automatic plant watering, all in one system. Let's see how it works, step by step. Now let's start making it. Make holes in cardboard and containers as required. This bottle will make raindrops, so need many holes. Fill all joints with glue stick to prevent leakage. water flow. Let's assemble it now. This is process of making artificial fields. Pasting plants to give it visual look. Now let's assemble rain system. How does the assembly looks before final trial? When rain falls, water is collected from the roof and directed through pipes into the system. Instead of letting this water go to waste, we capture it and use it efficiently. Before storing the water, it passes through a filtration unit. This filter removes dirt, dust, and unwanted particles. Clean water is important for both storage and reuse. After filtration, the clean water is stored in a tank. This stored water can be used later for gardening or other purposes. Excess water from the tank is directed into the ground. This helps recharge groundwater and prevents water wastage. It also helps maintain the natural water balance. Now comes the most interesting part: automatic plant watering. A moisture sensor checks the condition of the soil. When the soil becomes dry, the system automatically starts supplying water, and when enough moisture is reached, it stops. So, this system works as a complete cycle. Rainwater is collected, filtered, stored, recharged into the ground, and used when needed. This model helps in saving water, reducing wastage, and making irrigation more efficient. It also promotes sustainable use of natural resources. Such systems can be used in homes, schools, and farms to manage water in a smarter way. Thank you for watching.